Hey everyone, I'm so excited to share my thoughts on this incredible piece of technology, the Hoverfly X3 electric scooter. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and powerful ride, this might just be the perfect fit for you. So let's dive right in and take a closer look. The first thing that stands out about the Hoverfly X3 is its 500 watt motor. This powerful motor allows you to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. It also boasts a 50% climbing capability, which means it can handle hills and rough terrain with ease. Whether you're commuting or taking a joyride, this scooter offers both speed and stability. One of the features I love most is the front dual suspension. It's designed to absorb shocks and vibrations, giving you a super smooth and comfortable ride, even on bumpy roads. Riding the Hoverfly X3 feels like gliding. It's that smooth. Another major highlight of the Hoverfly X3 is a long-lasting 36-volt, 12-ampere-hour battery, giving you up to 25 miles on a single charge. But what happens if your battery runs low? No problem. The scooter features a super convenient walk assist mode. By pressing and holding the minus button, the scooter enters a power-saving mode with a speed of 6 kilometers per hour. This makes it easy to push the scooter while walking, saving you energy without completely draining the battery. When you're ready to stop, simply release the button to exit the walk assist mode. It's small details like this that make the Hoverfly X3 so user-friendly. The tires are also a standout feature. These 10-inch honeycomb solid tires are completely maintenance-free, puncture-resistant, and designed to give you a smooth ride no matter the surface. They make your daily commute worry-free and super convenient. The Hoverfly X3 also comes with a large LED display that shows you all the information you need, your speed, mileage, battery level, and even your headlight status. Speaking of lights, the bright lighting system includes an LED headlight for night rides and taillight flashes when you brake, keeping you visible and safe. Why do I recommend the Hoverfly X3 electric scooter? It's powerful, comfortable, and incredibly convenient. The convenient foldable design makes it easy to carry, store, or transport in tight spaces. Whether you're heading to work or packing it into your car for a weekend adventure, the folding mechanism ensures hassle-free portability. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or just enjoying a leisurely ride, this scooter delivers on all fronts. With its sleek design, durable build, and amazing performance, it's an investment that's totally worth it. Overall, the Hoverfly X3 electric scooter is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their ride. If you're interested in getting one, I'll leave a link down below for you to check out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.